Going to need a lot of TLC. She's probably going to need a groom.
Yeah.
She's going to need some grooming, but she's going to need to be active. Yes, absolutely. Okay. She's going to want to. You're going to want to keep her active so that she can be healthy and happy. Right. She doesn't get destructive when she's in the house, and she may have some separation anxiety, which is why she jumped into my lap.
Yeah, I see that. And usually we always get the younger dogs that you bring, and sometimes we get the older dogs that like to lay down and relax and chill. At what age do you think a dog slows down and is like, you know what, jumping isn't for me?
It really depends. It depends on the dog, depends on the breed. I have a dog who's 13 years old, and she still acts like she's 2.
Really?
But this one here, she's a puppy. She's going to be a puppy for quite some time. She's going to have a lot of energy. She, like I said, she may have some separation anxiety issues. You might have to get her used to being alone here or there, but she's going to make somebody an awesome addition to their family. She's going to be very loving and very friendly with everybody she comes across.
Well, do you think she would be great for somebody with kids, maybe? Because
she's
so loving.
We have had her out on a foster here or there, and she's done well with kids, and she's done well with other dogs. So that's why we think she's going to be better suited for just about anybody that decides they want to adopt her. She is small. She's going to stay small, and she's going to have a chance and an opportunity to be somebody's family pet.
Right. And I remember last week you were talking about fostering. Are you all still asking people if they want to do that?
We are. Actually, the 4th of July weekend was super successful, and we appreciate the community coming out and fostering pets for the weekend. A lot of people came out Friday or Saturday, took pets, and then brought them back to us on Tuesday because we were closed on Monday. Really? And we're very appreciative of that because it gets the animals out of the shelter and gives us feedback on how they're going to be in a permanent home. But foster is always a necessity. Foster is temporary placement for animals. If you can afford to take an animal for a temporary period of time, foster is what we call that. You can even take Lovey here on a foster if you want to, or adopt her permanently. She's going to make somebody a cool family addition.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for bringing Lovey. If you all are interested, please come pick her up at the Kern County Animal Shelter. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23, and I will see you all tomorrow.